Hi everyone. I recently made a purchase and I have some Happy Mail, but I'm not so sure what I should think about this Happy Mail. So if you'd like to see why, then please stay tuned. Hold on for a moment. Hi everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. I purchased some Happy Mail and I thought that it would be inspiring and something to share with you so that we could just look at the beautiful yarns and just be all excited. But unfortunately, when I received the package, I immediately thought, oh my goodness, I just got scammed. And I saw a few other people put videos up that definitely told me for sure, yes, you got scammed. But in any case, I tried to return it. I can't get it returned. I can't get them to respond to me. So I'm going to share it with you anyway. All right. So what is it? It is in this package here. And the reason I thought immediately that I was scammed is because this package is way smaller than the video that I saw that I thought I was purchasing. Furthermore, this came completely from a different country, even though it was supposed to be coming from the US. And again, I just thought, okay, wow, I just got scammed. But in any case, I did get something, and it wasn't completely that I got nothing. So I'm going to count that to be not so bad of an idea. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at what I received. I will say, as I'm looking at it, they definitely packaged it well. Okay. Because there was a lot of bubble wrap here. Okay. So this is what I purchased. All right. First off, when I ordered it, it was complete with a beautiful ribbon closing it, and it was supposed to be a lot bigger than this. This is an advent calendar, and it is supposed to be an advent calendar from the Crochet Society. However, I don't think this is from the Crochet Society. In fact, it came from a totally different country, and so I'm pretty sure it's not. All right, but we're going to open it up and see what's inside anyway. Okay, so now we have it open, and the ribbon that's supposed to be on here closing it, it looks like it's right here. So why is it there? I have no idea. That's just, I don't know. They just kind of threw it in there. I don't know. Okay. But as you open it up, you see, here's my ribbon. Okay. And this right here is torn. I did not tear it. This right here is torn. Somehow it's torn. I did not tear that. Um, but you open it up and there's supposed to be beautiful drawers full of yarn. All right. So there are drawers, but it doesn't look as large as what it's supposed to be because the video that I saw was a person who opened it up like this and she had a nice large box. This is a mini version. But again, at least I got something, right? Okay, so it looks like there's something peeking over here. So what is that? Okay, it's a hook. Uh, hmm. It's a 3 millimeter hook and it's plastic. It is very flexible, which maybe it could be used for something. It does have a little bit of sturdiness at the base of it, but the tip of it is a little bit more flexible. So I may try to see if I can get it to make a few items. We'll see. All right. All right. So now in looking at it, let's see. I'm going to see if I can find number one. Okay. Okay, so one is right here. And let's see if these collapse as I pull it out, because I think they're going to. No, they don't. They stay in place. Okay, so that's good. All right. So what's in number one? Okay. Number one is this golden color. Okay. And it feels like a partial skein. It is not a full skein at all. No, it's not a full skein. Okay, so I'm going to get my tape measure because I want to measure this so that I can see exactly how much yarn they give me per skein. All right, so hold on for a moment. Okay, so I am back and I have my tape measure here. I'm just going to measure it so I can see how many it has. All right, so we're just going to glide it along. I am back. I decided to go ahead and get a weight for the yarn as well as go ahead and measure the length. In order to get the weight, I just took my scale, zeroed it out, and then put the yarn on it. I found out that it is about 9 grams or so. And then in measuring the length, I used a tape measure and just ran the yarn along my tape measure until I reached the end. I got about 19 yards of yarn. All right. And so we shall see if all of the boxes work up to be about the same. Now, I haven't decided what I want to do with it yet. It is a thinner yarn, as you can see here. It looks to be an acrylic yarn. It doesn't feel like it's a natural fiber or anything like that. So it does feel like it's acrylic. It doesn't feel really scratchy and hard, but it doesn't feel super soft either. So it's probably just a basic, everyday yarn. And we shall see. I think it'll be okay and it'll make up a nice project. Probably something, like akin to a scrap yarn project that we will work up since they're smaller amounts of yarn. All right, so we shall see what I decide. If you have any ideas, please put it in the description box below. I'd love to hear your take on it. All right. So it is a beautiful, vibrant color, and we will see whatever else is in there. Now, I have wound it back up using my ball winder, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my pickle jar. All right. This is something that I can use for it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pickle jar. All right. And then we'll kind of go from there. So, have you ever had something that you purchased that you thought, wow, I think I got duped? And maybe were disappointed, but then were able to turn it around into something that was great? That's what I endeavor to do. And you guys can help me if you just give me some ideas of what you think that I can do with these small amounts of yarn. I think it'll be fun and we'll find a way to make this exciting and positive end experience. Okay. I guess takeaways from this are um, many times companies will make different price points for things, but I guess it was unrealistic to think that maybe they would have thought of a mini advent calendar compared to their regular advent calendar. And I probably should have thought that it was a dupe. I do feel bad though that they didn't just come up with a just plain idea. Okay. I've seen other advent calendars on for sale before, and I think they were just plain advent calendars. And it's okay. I think people like working with yarn, and I think they probably still would have gotten some sales. And you guys let me know what you think. Would you still buy it, even if it was packaged in something that was more basic and plain, or would you just go for the really top of the line stuff, especially if you were just trying something out and maybe we're short on funds? Just let me know what you think, okay? All right, so that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is a puzzle for today. So once again, thank you all so much for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for leaving me very kind comments. I really do appreciate it. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and wonderful week. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. All right. So do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, continue to be crafty every day. Share your gifts, be inspiring, and be inspired. I look forward to seeing you again in one of my videos or one of yours. Bye bye now.